In our fast-paced world, mental clarity and emotional well-being are paramount. Ancient practices like yoga and meditation offer powerful pathways to cultivate inner peace. By harmonizing the mind and body, these practices unlock a profound sense of balance and clarity. Modern science is now catching up, revealing the profound impact these practices have on our mental and emotional states. Through mindful movement, controlled breathing, and focused attention, we can access a deep wellspring of peace and clarity within. Whether you are new to yoga and meditation or a seasoned practitioner, this journey promises to deepen your understanding of the mind-body connection and empower you to live a more fulfilling and meaningful life. Yoga, meaning union in Sanskrit, offers a holistic approach to well-being by integrating physical postures, breathwork, and meditation. Through mindful movement, yoga releases physical tension, calms the nervous system, and promotes a sense of groundedness. Sun Salutations invigorate the body and mind, while gentle twists release emotional blockages. Forward bends encourage introspection, while inversions shift perspective and boost mood. Balancing poses enhance focus and concentration, promoting mental clarity and stability. As we move through the poses, we become attuned to our breath, our bodies, and our thoughts. By connecting movement with breath, yoga becomes a moving meditation, quieting the mental chatter and fostering a state of inner peace. Meditation, a practice as old as time, invites us to turn our attention inward, cultivating a state of stillness and clarity. By quieting the incessant stream of thoughts, we access a profound sense of peace that resides within. Mindfulness meditation involves focusing on the present moment, observing thoughts and sensations without judgment. Loving-kindness meditation cultivates compassion and empathy, while mantra meditation uses sound vibration to focus the mind. Regular meditation practice has been shown to reduce stress, anxiety, and depression. It enhances emotional regulation, improves focus and concentration, and promotes a deep sense of well-being. By calming the fluctuations of the mind, meditation allows us to experience greater clarity, creativity, and inner peace. Our breath is a powerful tool for influencing our mental and emotional states. Breathwork, or pranayama in yoga, involves conscious control of the breath to regulate energy flow, calm the nervous system, and enhance mental clarity. Deep diaphragmatic breathing activates the parasympathetic nervous system, promoting relaxation and reducing stress. Alternate nostril breathing balances the left and right hemispheres of the brain, enhancing focus and clarity. Energizing breathwork techniques such as Kapalabhati invigorate the body and mind, while cooling breaths like Shitali soothe and calm. By consciously regulating our breath, we can directly influence our mental and emotional states. Incorporating simple breathwork practices into our daily lives can have a profound impact on our mental well-being, promoting calmness, focus, and emotional balance. Modern science is now validating the ancient wisdom of yoga and meditation, revealing the profound impact these practices have on our mental and physical health. Studies have shown that regular practice can reduce stress hormones, improve sleep quality, and boost mood. Research has demonstrated that yoga and meditation can alleviate symptoms of anxiety and depression. These practices have also been shown to improve cognitive function, including memory, attention, and focus. The benefits extend beyond mental health, with studies indicating positive effects on cardiovascular health, immune function, and pain management. Regular practice strengthens neural connections in areas of the brain associated with attention, emotion regulation, and self-awareness. The evidence is clear. Yoga and meditation are not merely ancient traditions, but powerful tools for cultivating a more balanced, fulfilling, and meaningful life. Incorporating yoga and meditation into our lives is a journey of self-discovery and transformation. It is a process of cultivating inner stillness, developing self-awareness, and nurturing our mental and emotional well-being. Start by setting aside a few minutes each day for dedicated practice. Find a quiet space where you can relax and turn your attention inward. Begin with simple yoga poses or breathwork exercises, gradually increasing the duration and intensity of your practice. Experiment with different meditation techniques to find what resonates with you. Consistency is key. Even a few minutes each day can make a difference. As you cultivate a regular practice, you will begin to experience the transformative power of yoga and meditation, unlocking a deeper sense of inner peace and fulfillment in your life.